Today we're checking out what might be one of the most underrated small speakers that I've tested so far, the LG XBOOM Go model XG2T, which doesn't seem to get that much attention. Normal price for this is $79. I bought mine on sale for only $33, which actually seems like a really good deal. It's IP67, dust and water resistant, has military grade durability, and has up to 10 hours of battery life. It's definitely one of the coolest looking small speakers with a nice and large volume knob there on the side, USB-C charging port there on the bottom. The front has a rugged fabric material. You've also got play, pause, and the power button right there on the front. The back side has a rubberized material with Bluetooth and sound boost buttons. Probably the most unique and thickest lanyard style strap where it actually wraps all the way around the whole speaker. You can snap it into place on the corners, which allows you to mount or hang the speaker just about anywhere. It also works with the LG XBOOM mobile app, so you can use different EQ settings or do firmware updates. It's really got just about everything you can think of for a small rugged speaker. You can also stand it up or lay it down while listening to it. It says the speaker is only 5 watts on the box, but it actually feels and sounds a lot more powerful than that. Here's a quick sample just to see if you can tell a difference between this and the JBL Go 4.
But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away.
Not sure if you can tell from those samples, but this speaker actually sounds really good in person. It definitely sounds best when you have the sound boost turned on. The overall sound quality definitely reminds me of how JBL speakers sound. Also has nice and punchy bass to it. It also has nice clarity. I think you could use this for most types of music or listening to a podcast. I think it's going to surprise a lot of people just how good this speaker sounds, especially considering the size and price. Of course, depending on the style of speaker you're looking for, but I think most people will be surprised. I actually think this might be the best sounding small speaker that I've tested so far. It's definitely the most rugged. It just has a really nice, clever design to it. If you're looking for a small portable speaker like this that's also nice and rugged, I would put this one at the top of your list.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you can get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath.